Here's a look at your market recap on this Wednesday, the 8th day of January. Take a look at what's going on around the auctions today. Springfield Livestock Marketing Center, they were expecting to have about 3,000 head. That sale is still going on, and they're going to get really close to that 3,000 head. Lawley Brothers Livestock Market, of course, they were postponed from Tuesday until today on Wednesday. They were expecting to have about 2,000 head there at Lawley's. That market's winding down. They're on the cows now as of the recording of this report. Some stick-out sales we seen there, 32 head, 580-pound steers, 344. 52 head, 695-pound steers at 298. They sold 47 head, 714-pound steers at 295. And then a full load, 860-pound steers, 272.25. Some heifers, 31 head of 648-pound heifers tagged as replacements at 305, had 72 head of 720-pound heifers at 274.85. And then the big quote of the day, 20 head, 760-pound heifers tagged as replacements, 284.50. On Thursday, got a few auction barns that will have sales. New Cambria Livestock Market, Mid-Missouri Livestock in Phillipsburg will have a sale. Green Sea Livestock Market, they postponed from today until tomorrow on Thursday, so they will have a sale. Then on Friday, we've got Eastern Missouri Commission Company in Bowling Green, as well as Kingsville Livestock Market, which had postponed from Tuesday until Friday. They're expecting to have a big sale there. Taking a look at the box beef cutout values, Choice closed the day at $328.61. Select $306.89. That Choice was up $2.82. Select was up $1.46. Those values based on 181 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds, and the Choice Select spread setting at $21.72. Negotiated feedlot trade for the week. Still just a few scattered sales showing up here and there. Nothing to really establish a market firmly so far this week. We're only up to about 2,000 head total. Those live sales have ranged anywhere from $1.97 up to $2. But again, volume's been light and scattered, not really enough to establish a market yet this week. Taking a look at the closing futures markets. On the Mercantile Exchange, a lot of red today, despite the fact that the feeder cattle index continues to climb higher. Set another new all-time record today, up 57 cents at 272.86. That'd be based on an 800-pound steer at the brick and mortar auction barns through the 12-state region. Taking a look at the futures, live cattle for February down at $1.87, $193.70. April down $2.25, $195.52. January feeder cattle down $2.82, $265.57. March at $264.97, down $2.95. Lean hogs, a February contract, that was the only green in the livestock complex today. February was up 30 cents, $79.47. April down 65 at $85.07. Turning our attention to the grain markets at the elevators around the state today, soybeans were mixed, 3 lower to 7 higher, wheat 6 lower, corn 4 to 7 lower. Corn bids in the St. Louis region, 469 to 472, Kansas City 414 to 456. Soybean bids in St. Louis, 1023 to 1024, Kansas City 944 to 994. Wheat bids in St. Louis 546 to 556, Kansas City at 506. On the board of trade, corn contracts March down 454, May down 3 1/4, 462 1/2. January beans down 4 3/4, 987 1/2. March down 2 3/4, 994 1/2. March wheat down 6 1/4, 536 1/4. May at 548 1/2, down 6. January soybean meal down $2.70 a hundredweight, $292.60. Soybean oil, the only green in the grains today, up 39 cents at $41.11 for the January. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a recap of your markets for Wednesday. This is Tony Hancock.